Experiencing connection failures with your CCTV mobile app? This video will guide you through effective troubleshooting steps to get your camera feed back online. The golden rule of CCTV troubleshooting: always check your local DVR or NVR monitor first. If the video shows on the monitor, the issue is with your network. If the screen is black, the problem lies with your hardware. To fix connection issues, you must follow the signal chain in order, from the camera to the NVR, through the router, out to the cloud, and finally to your phone. Step 1 is checking physical hardware. Ensure the camera has power, look for glowing infrared LEDs, inspect your cables and PoE ports, and verify that your backup battery is working. Knowing how many cameras have failed helps narrow the cause. If only one camera is down, suspect a bad cable or port. If all cameras are out, look for internet, router, or NVR power issues. Step 2 covers your network connection. Test your internet, inspect LAN cables, and try rebooting your router and NVR. Remember, an internet failure does not necessarily mean your CCTV recordings are lost. If using Wi-Fi cameras, remember that they typically require a 2.4 GHz band for range. Ensure your phone is connected to this 2.4 GHz frequency during the initial setup process. Step 3 involves NVR configuration. Enable DHCP for automatic addressing. Ensure the NVR gateway matches your router's address, and double-check that your date and time settings are correct. Step 4 is the P2P cloud status. If it says online, the app should connect. If it is offline, your NVR cannot reach the internet. In this case, check your DNS and Ethernet cables. Step 5 is the mobile app itself. Keep the application updated, verify your login credentials, and clear the app cache. Warning: avoid clear data unless you know your account password. Use the network isolation test. If the app works on Wi-Fi but fails on mobile data, your phone may be blocking the connection. If it works on mobile data but fails on Wi-Fi, your router's firewall might be the culprit. For advanced network issues, consider factors like double NAT, where two routers conflict, CGNAT settings from your ISP blocking remote access, or updated routers breaking old port forwarding rules. Protect your system by never sharing QR codes, serial numbers, or IP addresses online. Always ensure you change the default password for your equipment. Use this 5-minute diagnosis flowchart to systematically check your hardware, connection, P2P status, and mobile network settings to resolve your connectivity issues. Follow the signal chain to find the fix. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our channel.